Hello, we are at 1605 Clay, apartment 15. Coming in the front door of the unit, breaker box for the apartment straight ahead. Unit has brand new hardwood floors throughout. And it's a corner unit. It gets nice natural light. Light and bright. Okay, first room when you come in on your left. Nice updated bathroom. Got a rain shower, shower head, white subway tile surround. In this cabinet here, endless on-demand hot water system. There's the bathroom vanity. A couple drawers down below, a couple shelves here. Okay. Next we have the bedroom. Bedroom would comfortably accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. There is the heater for the bedroom and nice big closet in here. Heater for the living room, and here is the thermostat, by the way, to control all the heaters in the unit. Okay, living room, another big beautiful bay window. Here is my information if you need to contact me. Okay, beautiful crown molding. Here in the kitchen, brand new tile floor in here, and this kitchen has a glass top electric stove, a microwave, a dishwasher, a disposal, farm style sink, okay, and a European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom. And we've got washer dryer in this closet here, okay? So that is a quick look at the unit. Please feel free to reach out if you would like to schedule a Zoom virtual showing, and I'll be happy to set that up for you. Thanks so much for watching. And again, this was 1605 Clay, and we're at apartment 15.